Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Not So Blue, and today I'm going to be doing another tutorial. I usually do editing tutorials, but this one's different. And so I'm guessing you came here to learn how to make a Roblox profile picture. Of course, you don't have to do Roblox, but this tutorial is aimed at Roblox avatars. So right now I am on IBIS Paint X. Yeah, it's completely free. I love this app. It's great for drawing and doing whatever, honestly. I'm gonna go grab a Roblox character real quick and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna be using this weird pose I have. This is my avatar, and so I'm just gonna use that. So make sure it's the lower layer, so just drag that down. Make sure it's the first layer. And what we're gonna do is we are going to grab a bucket right here. And we're just going to grab a black color or white, doesn't really matter. And we're gonna just fill in all these, except for the parts that you do not want to fill in. Oh, and if you want to be more specific, I guess, about where you want to fill in, then you can just color it by yourself to make it look the best it can. Also, make sure you're clicked on the second layer, because I made the mistake of having it on the same layer. And then make sure you're on the second layer. See how that looks? I think it looks pretty good, but it could be better, so I'm gonna fix it up with the brush. And I'm gonna get more specific areas too, like how this part of my hair didn't really do well when it filled in. And I'm gonna make the outline a little bit smoother because it's really rough around the edges. Unless you like it like that. I mean, I could see it's kind of a look though. You could do some details on your avatar's face. So I'm going to do my glasses. I'm pretty much going to be doing just the outline of the glasses, not the lenses, because that looks a little creepy. I'm going to change the opacity of the bottom layer because it'll help me see what I'm doing at the same time, if you understand. Not the best outline, but I did the best I could for just a tutorial. See, that's pretty good. And I'm gonna start on my little shark hoodie mouth. Now I'm going to be doing my mouth of my character. With this, if you aren't very good at making circles, if you don't already know, you can go up to the ruler and do a circle. Actually, not a circle. Do a oval, and that will help you if you have that kind of mouth. If you have any circles that you need help with too. So all I really have left to do is smooth out the outline. And if there's random areas that didn't get colored in, you can also color those in. Alright, so I am pretty much done actually, and that means it's time to move on to another app. So what you're gonna do, if you don't know how to work this, go back to my gallery, go to this share button, and make sure it is a PNG so that it is transparent. We're gonna head over to PixArt, which is the second app you'll need. We're gonna press the big plus. I'm looking up Galaxy background because Galaxy is kind of like the theme of my channel, but you can look up whatever you want for the background, and I'm going to be using this one. Make sure you crop it to a square so that it fits the YouTube profile picture standards. Also, one more thing on IBIS Paint, go to your layers and make sure it's on transparent, because I messed up there. It accidentally made it a solid photo. So now that it's actually transparent, we're gonna go over to border. If you don't want to make a border, that's completely fine, but I might just do a shadow, adjust it to whatever you want, and I made the color white. I'm also gonna add a border so that it looks like it's kind of glowing. I didn't use the glow effect for my actual profile picture. I just used it right now because I just realized that you could do that. I'm not going to be doing the glow. I'm just going to be doing a normal shadow. And if you want another cool effect, you can go to blend and do multiply. You can also play around with the other effects. Overlay is pretty cool, as you can see, but I'm not going to be using that. I'm going to be using color burn because it kind of goes through more, as you can you see that? The difference, slight difference. And you can play around with the effects also. I'm gonna add a little gradient, and on second thought, I'm gonna be using darken because it keeps the gradient. And don't be afraid to play around with all these settings, there is a lot. So yeah, that is how you make a pretty cool little profile picture. And this can work with all logos, doesn't have to work with only a Roblox character, but this video is mostly about your avatar and how to make a avatar profile picture. Thanks for sticking around for this video. I hope I helped you, and maybe comment down below so I can see some of your profile pictures that you maybe have made. It would be so cool to see some of those. So I just added a little saturation to make it look nicer, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I hope this helped you out if you're struggling, and yeah. Have a great day.